Hey, welcome back everybody. 12:25 on your Thursday afternoon, and if you didn't like yesterday's weather, well, you won't like today's. Much of the same from yesterday. Now, the biggest difference right now is the cloud cover. We have partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies throughout all of the valley, but let's take a look at the bigger picture, and it's not that way for a lot of the state. Now, we have a cold front that's starting to sweep through the state, and because of this, the Dallas-Fort Worth area is under a severe thunderstorm watch, and they're getting a lot of rain. They've continued to get a lot of rain since last night, and because of that, they're under a marginal to slight risk of severe weather. Now, back here at home, no severe weather. We'll stay dry for the rest of the day. Take a look at your currents. Everywhere is in the upper 80s, low 90s. It's 90 in McAllen, 91 in Edinburg, and 91 in Rio Grande City. It's not even the hottest part of the day yet. We're already sitting in the low 90s. So this gives you kind of a little bit of an outlook for what summer is going to be like. Your dew points all sitting in the low 70s right now. We'll put around 72 on the muggy meter. So we're way up here. We're in the very humid category, and we're going to stay there at least for tomorrow until a cold front comes through, giving us some much needed relief from these muggy conditions and these unseasonably warm temperatures. All of your winds out of the south or southeast. Now this will give us some relief from these muggy conditions, and all of them on the upwards of around 17 miles per hour. Wind gusts in the 30s in some places, 30 in Harlingen, 31 in McAllen, and 36 in Brownsville. And because of that and the winds on the water, there's a small craft advisory until 4 p.m. Now, the bay water is pretty choppy right now. Your next tide is a low tide at 11:47 p.m. and the seas are at 4 to 6 feet. Now 88 is our average high for the month of May. We're above that today, a little bit above that tomorrow, and then we're around that on Saturday, courtesy of a front that's going to come through. Now for the rest of the day, we stay with partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies until they build back in Friday morning. Check that out though. A few sprinkles are possible. They stay possible throughout Friday morning until we start to clear up Friday afternoon, mostly cloudy, and because the humidity is still there, it's going to feel like it's in the 90s. Today, high of around 92, partly cloudy, humid, and a windy day. Wind gusts of around 30 miles per hour at times. Tonight, cooling down to only 76, cloudy and breezy day. A couple showers possible though late tonight into tomorrow morning. Well, the heating trend stops tomorrow. High of around 89. We continue to cool down as a front starts to make its way through the valley, ramping up rain chances. Rain chances still there Sunday morning. I can't rule out a stray shower or two Sunday morning, but we start to heat back up into the upper 80s, low 90s, 89 on Monday. That looks to be the best day on Monday. Mostly sunny skies, high of around 89, and then Tuesday and Wednesday, twin temperatures, high of around 90 for both, with mostly sunny skies on Tuesday, partly cloudy on Wednesday. We're going to continue tracking that next front for you, and that's your First Warn 5 forecast. Hey, Dina.